In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Landscape Panel in Luminar Neo. This is the set of tools designed to enhance outdoor photos quickly and naturally so you can bring out detail, warmth, and color without complicated manual edits. Start by opening your photo in Luminar Neo and switching to the Edit module. On the right-hand side, you'll see the Tools panel. Scroll down until you find Landscape under Essential Tools. If you don't see it right away, double-check that you're in the main Edit toolbar and not browsing presets or the catalog. Once the panel is open, you'll find a handful of intuitive sliders that are easy to use and focused on landscapes. These controls are all about clarity, mood, and natural elements like foliage. They help you quickly improve atmosphere and color balance so the scene looks grounded and true to life, rather than overprocessed. Subtle moves usually go a long way here. Let's start with dehaze. This slider reduces fog, mist, and haze, and adds contrast and clarity to skies and distant elements, which is perfect for scenes that look washed out. Gently push it to the right until mountains, trees, and clouds start to pop, but stop before edges look harsh or colors turn unnaturally dark. If you notice halos around objects or the sky becomes muddy, dial it back a touch. Aim for cleaner air and improved depth without losing realism. Next is golden hour. This adds a warm, glowing light reminiscent of sunrise or sunset by warming the overall color temperature and subtly brightening highlights. It's ideal for nature scenes and outdoor portraits shot under flat midday light. Move it lightly to the right for pleasing warmth. Keep an eye on skin tones or bright surfaces like snow, which can turn too orange if pushed too far. For greenery, use Foliage Enhancer. It boosts greens so forests, grass, and vegetation feel full and vibrant. Increase it until the scene looks lively, but pause before greens become neon or overly saturated. If the color doesn't look quite right after boosting, use Foliage Hue to fine-tune those green tones. A small nudge can shift greens toward a more natural shade and prevent artificial-looking colors. To complete your outdoor edit, combine the Landscape panel with other creative tools. Sky AI can improve or replace skies and even match reflections in water for a cohesive look. Twilight Enhancer. AI adds evocative color and light, reminiscent of golden or blue hour. Atmosphere AI and sunrays introduce realistic haze, fog, or sunbeams to add depth and mood. You'll find these near other creative and landscape tools in the Edit panel. Keep adjustments subtle, build gradually, and let the scene's natural character shine.